Madison, I killed a man today. But I had no choice. I have to save Sean, no matter what. Madison. Why are you naked?
Ethan, I know you're not the Arigami Killah. I have proof. But we're running out of time. You need to sleep with me.
But I barely even know you. And I'm running out of time to save my son. It totally doesn't make sense for me to sleep with you now.
But don't you want to see my boobies?
I've already seen them multiple times throughout the game. You dirty slut. However, my preteen masturbation mindset and my vulnerability to virtual porn makes me want to see them again.
Let's do it.